We all proudly stand on this land, but have we ever thought about its fertility that is approaching towards its end? Every single day the soil gets eroded, and we all know how everything is getting polluted. Some may think that it's not a big deal, but remember, it's the soil that provides us an everyday meal. Let's restore our lands for future generation. Humanity relies on technology as a solution. We humans are the cause of such abolition. We all will repent for all the carefree days we would spend. We will sob for every little grain when there will be no rain. Fertile land will disappear, everything will be gone year by year. Now is the time to take action and to start land restoration and to stop its desertification, to avoid the commotion and to stop land erosion. Hey guys, if you like this video then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.